got my funky pants on. I don't even know if you can see them. Today I wanted to do something fun. It's rainy outside, it's disgusting, and I feel like doing something creative. But then I thought, why not paint my face? Wow! A lot of people did this, and I'm kind of late to the party. But today I'm going to try to follow a James Charles makeup tutorial, and it's going to be this beautiful look, or this, which side? It's going to be this look. It's this warm, orangey cut crease kind of thing. You see it here, and I thought they were really pretty, and it looked really hard, so I wanted to do that. And it's smoky and glam. Don't know. That's just what I kind of fancied, so that's what I'm going to do. I washed my face. It's moisturized, as you can see. Yeah, let's go. I probably own nothing that he uses in that tutorial, so this is going to be fun. Also only have these really, not crap, but you know, really inexpensive, dirty brushes. I could not be bothered to clean them. So let's see how this turns out. Let's go, I have my laptop here. We're gonna start this video. Let's go.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. This eye look is definitely gonna be...
He did his face already? Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, since he's starting with eyes, I'm gonna start with eyes too. And then I'll just do the face like I do it afterwards. I think that's a good idea. I really don't know. I have to pull you in a little closer just so you can actually see what I'm doing. Love that. I have that one somewhere in this big ass box. There it is. I got it. Yes. Isn't it cute? Aww. I think that's a pea size. Right here. Forehead, chin. I only have these two foundations, which I always mix. It's a vegan one. And then I have this Maybelline one, which don't buy that. But it's more yellow and it just gives this the proper color, you know. So I'll mix those. Down that in. Oh. Oh my god, I look white. I don't have the MAC Fix Plus because that's tested on animals and we hate that, so I got this vegan one. Okay, now we need a more cool toned one, which I mean I don't really have, you know, because I usually don't contour my face. I mean I have like this one, which is cool tone. It's a bit dark, but I think I'll have to mix those. god.
Side, fingers crossed, to check that video out. I'm first gonna grab my M441 brush and dip into this middle transition shade. I actually lost a little.
Middle transition shade looks like a brown orangey kind of thing. So let's see what we have. Well, I have this one, which is like a light brown. And then I think I'll take the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and just mix the orange in it as well. That looks so much more orange. I mean, that's kind of wrong.
For the next color, I'm going to grab an R39 brush and dip into this burnt orange shade right up in here.
Burnt orange. Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm next going to grab another clean R39 brush. This brush is basically the exact same as the M433, so if you have that one, feel free to dip into that one too, or literally any blending brush. It's really not that deep. To this burnt darker orange shade right up in here.
I'll mix those two again, red and orange, with like this dark brown. I hope that does something.
And I'm gonna dip into this like reddy toned brown shade up in here, and I'm gonna use this to deepen up once again the crease in the outer V. So with the black on the pencil brush, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna tap it right into the outer V.
I'm gonna use this black I have here.
And dip into this cool tone brown shade up in here and just lightly go over those edges. So I'm gonna grab my R39 brush and dip into that light orange shade from before and just go over those edges to hopefully make everything a little bit less dark.
Going back in the orange like he did to blend that. This is actually turning out way better than I thought it would.
Now we're gonna go ahead and cut out the crease. I'm gonna grab my Morphe cream shadow in the shade Copper today, which is this beautiful orangey shade as the base, of course, and then my Makeup Shack T57 brush. It is just this tiny, really flat definer brush. We are gonna be doing a lot more of like a detailed crease today than the classic average half cut crease where you just kind of blur out the edges. So I do wanna make sure it's really, really light and defined.
Okay. Ladies and gents, it's time for the cut crease. Let's do this. I don't have a cream copper shade, so I'll have to use concealer first. Using this tiny brush. Probably not the best that it's, you know, angled, but
I'm just filling this in like normal, but then once I get to the outer corner, instead of just fading out the edges, I'm actually gonna pull the shadow once again with that defined brush, and I'm gonna make kind of a loop back around to the lower lash line.
oh my god. Okay. I'm coming close now. How the fuck, dude? Ugh. Oh no, I have to do the other eye. Fine. But now I have to go over like with a copper metal, right? So I think I'll use that. Proud. Inner corners are already coming off.
And you guys know I hate doing this, but for today's look, I feel like it is necessary. I really want this to be very, very sexy and sultry. I want everybody at the Thanksgiving dinner table to know that I am that bitch that gets the turkey first. So I really want to be nice and intense.
Right. Orange. I look really good. This is sick. I'm actually really proud of myself now. Look at this. Like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and well, have a great day. Bye.